There are programs in the robot controller currently. If we go to the online menu under programs, open up this program number 1, we'll see a position variable P1 that has that data in it. So let's focus on the say the X and Y components, because we'll go ahead and rotate J1 and then we should end up with new data. In fact, if I do a get current position right now, we're going to see new data in there. So that's one way to change it, is through the software, just by saying get current position and then saving this file back down, saving this program back down. To do this without the use of the software, we can use the HMI. We need to know the position variable name, which in this case was P1. So I enter in P1. We know that it's part of a robot program name, so we'll read it back, and there's the data that we just saw in the file. That's from the file, it's not from the current position of the robot. If I get the current position of the robot, it's actually there. So if I read it from the file, it's there. If I get the current position, it's from there. So what we want to do is read that current position in, let's say, and then write it down. Now when I do a read back, I get the same data as the current position. And then I can go over to my software and open up program number 1 from the robot controller, and I can see that the data has changed, 303, negative 202, which should match what's on the screen. So that's a basic example. These screens are available to you to use freely and redesign as you need. These variable names and things can all be hard-coded, so there's really no need to actually manually enter program names. You could just have a screen that has position data, move the robot to where you think it needs to be using, say, the jog screen here. Oops, that's the pendant. So using the jog screen here, you can move around in XYZ and stuff, line it up, and then capture that position back to a file. So hopefully this gives you a good demonstration of what you can do. Thank you.